Hi there! In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Apple Watch Ultra Zoom. Let's get started. And we have two ways how to do this. We can manage it right from the watch, or we can use our phone to reset this watch. So firstly, I'm going to show you this on the watch. For that, we need to press the digital crown to open the list of apps. And here, just find your settings. And after that, go in the general tab, scroll a bit, and you will see this reset option. So choose it, and now you can see this button, erase all content and settings. You just need to select it if you wanna erase all content and settings and just get your watch to the factory settings. Or another way, just take your device, here go in this watch application, then choose general as before, scroll till the end, go in the reset option, and here select erase Apple Watch content and settings. So let's do it now right from the phone. Here confirm by pressing this red button. And now press it again. Here we will need to enter our Apple account password, so I'm just gonna do it off stage and get back to you in a couple of seconds. And now you can see that it is unpairing the watch from the phone. This is a necessary step to get your watch to the factory settings. So let's just wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading and unpairing our device. And after that, you will need to pair it again with your phone or use another device to pair your watch with. And now, first thing you can see that it is unpaired from the phone. Now you can check it if you just go in the All Watches section. And now you can see another My Device here, but this is not the Ultra 2 watch. So also you can check that it is just reset to the factory settings, and you can see here information that we would need to connect it with the phone once more. So for that you will need to hold your watch near your phone, go in All Watches section, select Add Watch and follow on-screen instructions. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.